Hey guys, welcome back to Officially Hiro Cooking Edition. Today we will be making a healthy snack for the non-fruit and non-vegetable eaters. Hiro's ready to get started, so we'll need an apple, pear, orange, blueberries, cream cheese. Hiro, do you have the peanut butter? Peanut butter? Yep. Cashews, and of course some celery. For our babies with nut allergies or even our vegan babies, you can always substitute these ingredients to fit your needs. Cut and break your celery into pieces. Look at all the fun Hiro's having. I put the cream cheese in a Ziploc bag to make it easier to fill the celery sticks. Just snip the end of the bag and fill. I did the same thing with the peanut butter as well. Time to slice your fruit and add your blueberries. Use the leftover peanut butter to secure your eyes in place. Yay! We're all done! How cute are these? I hope you guys really enjoy the recipe and the video. Bye! Say bye.
Okay. No.
If you have any comments, please leave them below. Hiro, below? Yeah, down below. Thank you again. Bye.